Hey everybody, today I'm working on a 12 by 12 canvas and I am going to be doing the paint kiss pour. It's something I've seen a few people do, so I thought I would give it a try. And the colors that I am using, I have a navy that I make using phthalo blue, violet, and black. And then I have teal, and that's from the Fine Touch. I also have pink, that's from the Fine Touch, and then I have white, which is Artist Loft Flow Acrylic. So I'm just gonna start, put a little bit of white in there. And I'll start off with the next color I'll do is navy, and I'm not putting any silicone or anything in here. Just paint with pouring medium. I do have, I think these paints are mixed with floetrol and Liquitex pouring medium. I think, and then the white is just with Liquitex. Alright, next I'll go with the pink. Trying to get it to stay on top as much as I can. And then the teal. Now put a little bit more white. Alright, so I'm gonna get started, and I guess I'm just going to, now the paint has to touch when it's coming out, so, oops. Gonna try to pour slower. I'm not really sure, but it looks like I'm getting bubbles, so maybe I'm going too fast. Yeah, a lot of air bubbles. I may be going too fast. I'm just gonna go with it and see what happens. Alright guys, we'll go in for the close-up. So I think for my first time doing this, I think it looks okay. There's a couple things that I will do differently if I pour another one. Pour slower, because I did have some air bubbles. And I'm not really happy with the way the middle looks. I think I let it drip at the end. other than that, I really like the way the colors blended. I got a few random cells, but, you know, that's not really what I was, going for. The cells weren't that big of a deal. So anyway, all in all, not too bad for a first try. Alright, thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.